Good morning, children. Today we are going to the first chapter of Geography. Chapter 13 India, Location, Geological Structure and Physiography, Part 1. India, a place of cultural confluence. India holds a strong and unique position among the countries of the world. It is a country having largest democracy and its culture is one of the oldest. Due to India's rich culture and warm approach, it was welcomed people of all the religions and race. India has always remained neutral towards all religions, people and races. This is a unique characteristic of India. Owing to all these reasons, it is said that India has become a place of cultural confluence. You can mark this answer as answer number 3 in your worksheet. India has become a place of cultural confluence. Explain. In this section, we will discuss about what is India's location or where is India located in the world map. Geographically, India lies in the northern hemisphere and extends up to southern part of Asian continent. India is located between 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude and from 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer, located at 23 degree 5 minute north latitude and divides the country into two, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. In the map you can see a line running from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. See, that is 3214 kilometers. That is starting from 37 degree 6 minute to 8 degree 4 minute. Now, there is another line parallel to that line, that is called the standard meridian of the country. The latitudinal and longitudinal extents of India are almost equal, which is about 30 degree. The actual length between Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 3214 km. And we are considering from Gujarat to the last state, that is Arunachal Pradesh, it is 2933 kilometers. That is almost the same. There is a difference of 2 hours in the local time between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh because of longitudinal differences. The result is, when sun rises in Arunachal Pradesh, we are still sleeping in Gujarat because we are 2 hours late. Now come to the northern India and southern India. In northern India, the north part is spread more in the east and the west direction. North India contains Himalayan mountain region and the large plains. Whereas the southern India, the area of the south of Tropic of Cancer has a triangular shape. It tapers as one moves southwards. In the map you can see Arabian Sea is located on left of India. Indian Ocean at the bottom and Bay of Bengal on right. That is, the three sides of India are surrounded by water or sea. That is the reason why it is called a peninsula. The peninsular plateau includes eastern plains that lie on the eastern side of South India and the narrow western coastal plains that lie on the western side of South India. Now come to the area. India is spread in a total area of 32.8 lakh square kilometer. While considering the area of India with other countries of the world, India ranks 7th in its area. So which are the other countries? That is, which are larger than India are Russia, the biggest in area, followed by Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. Now, the strategic location of India. The land area of India lies in South Asia. In the north, lofty mountain ranges are spread over hundreds of kilometers from west to east direction. Tibet and China lies to northeast of India. One can move from India to China and Tibet through the mountain passes of India located at a high altitude. Even though the land routes are obstructed by surrounding mountains, India has accepted all cultural elements arriving from outside, and these have merged into Indian society. India holds a strategic location in Eastern Hemisphere. Oceans have contributed immensely in developing mutual relations in ancient time. India has trade relations with East Africa, West Asia, South Asia and Southeast Asia since ancient times. India has developed cultural and commercial relations with them. In your smaller classes, you have studied about India's relations with other countries. From other countries, traders came to our country to trade with our country. With the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, the distance between India and Europe has reduced by about 7,000 kilometers. You can see in the world map, in the next page. Europeans were using the sea route which we have studied in the first chapter. They have to cross Africa and while reaching India. But the opening of Suez Canal, a canal which was made by human beings. It is from the region of Turkey. There is a small landmass, and from there it will come out through the side of Yemen and Ethiopia. So that area, Suez Canal, that was opened, we made a canal, and thus trade became easy. Around 7,000 kilometers were reduced. Why has the international trade of India become easy, or international trade between India and Europe has become easier? Support your answer with reasons. International trade is mainly carried out through air or sea route. Large area of India is connected with the sea. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. After the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, the distance between India and Europe has reduced about 7,000 kilometers. Also, the journey from Asia to Europe reduced by 6,500 kilometers due to the Circum-Africa waterway. Moreover, the air routes connecting many countries passes through various parts of India. Thus, the international trade between India and Europe has increased to a great extent. In your worksheet, there is one question, question number 2. Why has the international trade of India become easy? Mark this answer. In this world map, you will get a clear idea about international highway of trade and commerce. How India is connected with the other countries, and you can see the Suez Canal also. Starting from Cyprus till Ethiopia, see that small canal which is passing, that is called the Suez Canal. Near to Egypt, you can see the Suez Canal. The last topic is worksheet. All the answers we have discussed in the topics we have given. Write each answer and you will get the answers in the slides provided. I hope you understood. Thank you.